I think data has always been, and at some level, at the forefront of what insurance actually is. Early on, it was really around pricing and claims, but probably mostly about pricing. Um, we're selling math as insurance insurers, right? We need to make more money than we pay out in claims, and so that math equation is really important. I think over time that's changed, right? Especially with these new distribution models. As the independent agencies have sort of taken hold. Now I know that channel has sort of changed a little bit in the past decade or so, but how you understand agent behavior, right? Certain agencies have a way of selling products or selling risks or talking to customers, and so you can glean a lot of information from how they're using their platforms. Um, Websites being a distribution channel that really emerged pretty strongly with Progressive Insurance in the mid 90s, right? Mid to late 90s. And so how that has started to take hold and how that consumer experience really shapes the financials of an insurance business. So the data involved in that, getting very sophisticated around that user experience and doing multivariate testing and then using different data sources. Can you pre-fill something and speed up the application process by 30 seconds, which translates to X million dollars for the year? And so, marketing, you catch us up with today, predictive analytics are sort of table stakes. It's how you define, scoring using discrete data sets, how you target lookalike targeting across channels, how you measure across channels. Obviously, the future state, I think, is really around AI. I think there's a lot of conversation across virtually any business or anything you're talking about now has some AI component tinge to it. But from an
Yeah.
insurance perspective, I think of customization at scale. I think of marketing personalization. I think of repetitive tasks being done more quickly with AI algorithms or agents, things like that. So data is really, I think the carriers that are really successful and the platforms that are really successful are the ones that use it in a constructive manner for the business, for sure.